Best car phone mount holder in 2023. Number 1. The Yachty Easy One Touch 5 Dash and Windshield Mount combines versatility and convenience, featuring an enhanced button and cradle for wide device and case compatibility. The telescopic arm extends up to 6.75 inches, offering drivers a more customized viewing experience. A new magnetic cord organizer helps to avoid tangled wires, while a redesigned bottom foot and suction cup guarantee a secure hold. With our patented sleek design and superior quality, the Easy One Touch 5 is sure to complement any modern automotive interior, while delivering the best in smartphone mounting solutions. Compatible with all smartphone models. US patented Easy One Touch mechanism for one-hand operation. Universal cradle fits all smartphone and case combinations. Magnetic cord organizer keeps charging cables organized. Telescopic arm extends and pivots for custom viewing angles. Ball joint pivots and rotates, allowing you to transition between portrait and landscape mode. Suction cup provides a strong hold. Includes mount, cable tag, and dashboard pad. Number 3. Canoo Airframe Pro Premium Car Vent Mount Black. Our flagship vent mount for larger phones and cases. Featuring an extra wide grip for larger phones and cases, a tilt and swivel joint for the perfect angle, and an easy push-button vent clip. All packaged in a stylish, compact form factor. Patent E831660. Airframe Pro allows you to keep your smartphone in sight at eye level and ready to use for GPS directions, playing music, and making hands-free phone calls. Our patented design uses a rotating clip that securely mounts Airframe Plus onto most vents. Insert any card from your wallet into the rotating clip, and Airframe Plus transforms into the ultimate Android or iPhone stand. Safely in view, keep your smartphone in sight at eye level and ready for GPS directions. Streaming music, hands-free calls with this car phone mount. Includes a lifetime warranty if purchased through an authorized dealer. Vent versatility. Our Android and iPhone car holder has a 360-degree rotating clip that securely mounts Airframe Pro onto many vents. Made for larger devices, extends up to 3.6. Airframe Pro is a vent car mount and has a spring-loaded expandable jaw, which extends up to 3.6, to support larger smartphones and phablets with up to 6 screens, diagonal and oversized cases. Pocket-sized Airframe Pro weighs 1.4 ounces and small enough to fit in your pocket, making this one of the most portable car accessories. Airframe Pro is great for travel and use in rental cars. Travel stand. Insert any card from your wallet into the push-button clip, and Airframe Pro transforms into the ultimate hands-free Android or iPhone stand. Great for travel and use on airplanes. Number 3. Pop Mount 2 Car and Desk Black. Home office mounting just took a turn for the better. This innovative design allows your phone to rotate, providing multi-angle viewing. Lock mount into place on your desk, countertop, or any surface for simple hands-free use while working at home, video conferencing, cooking, exercising, or simply charging on your nightstand. Also works on your car's dashboard or attaches directly to the windshield. When not in use, the mount can be collapsed for easy storage. The base of the mount also features small grooves for cable management. Number 4. Canoo Airframe Pro. Product details. This flagship vent mount for larger phones and cases, featuring an extra wide grip for larger phones and cases, a tilt and swivel joint for the perfect angle, and an easy push-button vent clip. All packaged in a stylish, compact form factor. Patent E831660. Airframe Pro allows you to keep your smartphone in sight at eye level and ready to use for GPS directions, playing music, and making hands-free phone calls. Our patented design uses a rotating clip that securely mounts Airframe Plus onto most vents. Insert any card from your wallet into the rotating clip, and Airframe Plus transforms into the ultimate Android or iPhone stand. Number 5. Magic Mount is the multi-award-winning magnetic mounting system for conveniently, quickly, and securely mounting your smartphone, tablet, and more to a wide variety of surfaces. Once a magic plate is applied, as shown further down this page, just hover your device near the magnetic surface, and your device will instantly lock securely in place. The sleek cradle-free design uses high-powered magnets to secure your devices where you use them most. The magnets will not damage your smartphone, tablet, GPS unit, etc. Due to the Magic Mount's open design, devices can be mounted in a 360 degrees fashion, permitting countless landscape or portrait viewing angles with full access to your device's touchscreen controls and/or ports. Magic Mount makes hands-free calling, GPS navigation, media streaming, and internet browsing a breeze. On the road, at the office, at home, everywhere, there is a Magic Mount to meet your needs.